Diamonds, I could put you in that Birkin. Seen you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it in reverse. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, show that you deserve.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and in today's video, I'm gonna be working with Worldnewhair. First things first, this color, once again, is the color I've been trying to get for years, y'all. When I say years, and a company finally reached out to me to offer me this ginger looking, you know, burnt orange Cajun spice, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, wig. I'm absolutely in love. I had to go ahead and do a side part. You guys know I always do a middle part, so I had to switch it up and do a side. I am in love with this hair, but the only downside, y'all, the only downside is like the lace. I don't know if it's me or I don't know, but the lace is giving me like a gray tint vibe. I don't know, maybe I'm bugging, but let me know down in the comments. I feel like the lace is giving me like a gray tint vibe, but overall the hair is bomb. I am in love. These curls turned out bomb, and go copy some Worldnewhair, y'all. Go copy some Worldnewhair. But all the information to this hair will be down below. This hair is so silky, so smooth. I love it. If you guys want this hair, go ahead and click down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 100K, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
person. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain, curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.